Linking your bank account to Pluralsight is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Pluralsight. Step 1. Log into your Pluralsight account. Start by visiting the Pluralsight website and logging into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Options or Billing section. Click on this to access the area where you can manage your payment methods. Step 4. Add bank account information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Pluralsight, enabling easy payment for your subscriptions. If you encounter any issues, consult Pluralsight's Help Center for further assistance.